Hello and welcome to Handy Lab.
Friend, in this video we will see how to make a cable chain stitch. Cable chain stitch is used for a straight or curved lines. The linking stitches can be short or long as required. Practice make you perfect in creating a cable chain stitch. It is so simple.
Please like this video and subscribe Handy Lab channel. If you are watching this video on YouTube, then follow us on Facebook. Or if you are watching this video on Facebook, then follow us on YouTube as well. The link is available in the video description.